This is just a quick video of how to run a aftermarket steering wheel on your E46 or M3 and still retain the horn functionality. So first thing you need to do is trim off some of the plastic material on these first 6 pins area. The reason why is because when you run the wires I'll be showing you, it'll run into an issue when you have an energy short hub. I believe if you have a Momo hub, steering wheel hub, there's no issue because it's bigger and it has a lot more room to play with. But with the short hub, you don't even have room at all. So moving on towards the wire, how to create it, or how I created it was I went on Amazon, I bought some 1-pin connectors, and it comes like this. Both sides are female, but for me, I took 2 wires, one ground, one positive, and I snipped off one half, and then I soldered my own spade connectors in order to mate to the quick release spade connectors. So yeah, so one side is female, one side is male. So let's get to it on how to connect the pins. So in the 6-pin area, the far right is the ground, and then the one next to the ground, basically second far right, is the positive for the horn. And basically that's it. And then all you have to do is bolt on your short hub, your quick release, and then the quick release receiver on your steering wheel, and that's about it. And for those that aren't running a quick release, you install the steering wheel hub, and then you install the steering wheel to the hub with these 6 bolts, and then you'll connect the horn button to the wires, positive to positive and ground to ground, and that should work.